Capture stunning aerial views with cutting-edge technology. Discover the best drone with camera for adults, perfect for breathtaking photography and adventure. Number 1. Hiturbo Drone with camera. This drone offers a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture unique perspectives, whether looking forward during flight or pointing directly downward. It's perfect for creative photography, roof inspections, or even recording dynamic sports moments like skateboarding. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, it delivers up to 24 minutes of total flight time, allowing for extended fun. The drone can be controlled using a remote or a smartphone app, but capturing videos or using features like voice control requires Wi-Fi connection through the Hiturbo FPV app. With user-friendly functions such as altitude hold, 3D flip, one-key takeoff, shot landing, speed adjustment, and headless mode, even beginners can fly with confidence. The simple setup eliminates manual pairing, making it an ideal choice for first-time users. Helpful tips like calibrating the gyroscope after turning it on ensure better stability and control. Number 2. Naseto Drone with camera designed for both beginners and drone enthusiasts. This model features a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens for versatile aerial shots. The FPV transmission allows real-time video streaming directly to your smartphone, making it easy to capture stunning moments. Essential beginner-friendly functions such as one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and adjustable speeds make operations smooth and simple. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, providing a total of up to 30 minutes of flight time, ensuring longer enjoyment. Safety is enhanced with built-in collision avoidance equipment, reducing the risk of crashes. Beyond the basics, this drone offers fun features like 360-degree flips, gesture control for photos and videos, VR mode, and trajectory flight, making every flight an adventure. Its compact, lightweight design, under 249 grams, eliminates the need for FAA registration, making it convenient for travel. A carrying case further enhances portability. The sleek gray design and triple camera setup make it a visually appealing choice. Number 3. XShop Drone with camera. This drone comes with a 1080p HD camera, a 90-degree adjustable lens, and FPV transmission for real-time aerial views streamed directly to your smartphone. Whether capturing stunning landscapes or experimenting with creative shots, this feature ensures a smooth flying experience. Designed with ease of use in mind, it includes one-key takeoff, SART landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3-speed settings, making it a great choice for beginners. The propeller obstacle avoidance system helps prevent crashes, ensuring safe and worry-free flights. 2 rechargeable batteries extend the flight time to up to 30 minutes, giving users ample time to explore the sky. The drone is packed with exciting features such as 360-degree flips, gesture-controlled photography, VR mode, and trajectory flight for customized routes. Its foldable and lightweight design makes it easy to transport, and since it weighs under 249 grams, no FAA registration is required. The carrying case adds to its convenience, making it a great travel companion. Number 4. Oddire Drone with camera. Equipped with an upgraded chip, this drone stands out with its wide range of functions. It features trajectory flight, gravity control, 3D flips, headless mode, 3-speed modes, and one-key takeoff, chart landing, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The 1080p FPV camera provides high-quality aerial footage, and its electric adjustability allows for remote angle changes of up to 90 degrees. Advanced hover stabilization and optical flow positioning technology ensure smoother, more stable flights, making it easier to capture clear images and videos. Calibration is simple, and once completed, the drone remains steady in the air, providing a hassle-free experience. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, offering a total flight time of approximately 25 to 28 minutes. Safety features like overcurrent protection and an emergency stop add extra reliability. The controller is well designed, providing a comfortable grip for intuitive handling. This drone delivers a balance of fun and functionality. Number 5. Holy Stone GPS Drone. This advanced GPS drone is perfect for those looking for high-quality aerial photography and smooth, intelligent flight features. The 4K camera captures ultra-clear images with a 110-degree wide-angle view and a 90-degree adjustable lens, allowing users to get stunning shots from the air. Its 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures stable video streaming even in high-speed or windy conditions. GPS-assisted flight enhances usability by enabling automatic return home if the signal is lost, the battery is low, or the drone flies out of range. This feature ensures peace of mind, preventing accidental losses. With 2 batteries, users can enjoy up to 46 minutes of total flight time, making it great for extended sessions. Functions such as altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and one-key takeoff on landing simplify operation for beginners. The foldable design, lightweight build under 250 grams, and included carrying case make it highly portable. More advanced features such as Follow Me mode, waypoint flight, and gesture control further enhance its capabilities. Whether you're an experienced flyer or a beginner looking for a professional quality drone, this model provides a superior flight experience with intelligent controls and stunning visuals, making it a top choice for aerial enthusiasts. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.